Tooth decay is one of the most common medical conditions in the world. When left unchecked, tooth decay can cause some pretty serious damage to our teeth and result in potential tooth loss. Fortunately, your dentist can not only help and guide you to prevent further decay, but can restore the destroyed portions of a tooth with a filling that looks and acts just like your natural tooth. The actual procedure involves a few simple steps. The decayed tooth structure is removed, leaving something called a cavity preparation. The cavity preparation is cleaned, then coated with an adhesive agent that helps the filling stick strongly to the tooth. A filling material is added to the cavity preparation, shaped to match the contour of your tooth, and then hardened using a blue UV light. Looks straight out of a sci-fi film, doesn't it? In the end, your tooth will look as good as new with no sign of damage. And better yet, the filling will act as a barrier against future tooth decay. It's win-win.